How to log in Shein account. Welcome to our channel and let's start with our video. Open up our browser on your PC or on your mobile device and search for Shein.com. You'll be redirected to the official web page of Shein, where you can find some of the amazing deals and trendy fashion clothes and more. To sign in or sign up, just tap on the person icon right here. And as you can see, I'm already logged in, but for the sake of this video, let me log out right now and show you with the beginning process. Manually, you can enter your mobile number or email address and continue with the process. Or for instant login, tap on Continue with Google or Continue with Facebook. Now, if you choose Continue with Google, you have to select an email address to assign to your Shein account. And with just a simple tap, you'll be able to log in with a Shein account with a designated email address. Isn't it simple? So get ready to elevate your wardrobe and experience the excitement of affordable and chic fashion. Let's dive into the world of Shein together. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Stay tuned and embark on a stylish journey with Shein. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.